Okay, in this lecture, let's look at the solar energy application. We have it for rural electrification, power station, solar farms, spacecraft power, provision of electrical power to properties. These are some of the things we've talked about. Now, let's try and understand the solar panel datasheet. Now, it's very important that you look at this when you are buying your solar panel. Now, every solar panel has its own maximum power, the VOC open circuit voltage, the ISC short circuit current, the VMP maximum power voltage, and the IMP maximum power current. Now, these two are the values you get when your load is connected to your system. But open circuit voltage is what you just measure at the terminals of the panel. You put it in the sun, you take your multimeter positive to positive, your positive probe to the positive of the solar probe, and the negative probe of your meter to the negative of your solar panel also. Then you use that to measure the VOC. Now the ISC, if you have a clamp meter, you can clip the positive and negative um, probe connector of your solar panel together, but make sure that you do it very fast. That's the short circuit current. So you take your clamp meter, you clip round to see what the value will be. So these are the standard test condition of your solar panel. Dimension is very key also if you want to know how to place it on your rooftop. So these values are very important, and if I may ask, what kind of solar panel is this? Is it a 12-volt solar panel or a 24-volt solar panel? Now, from this view, see, this tells me that this is a 24-volt solar panel. Now, if you are using 12 volts, you need a voltage higher than 12 volt to charge 12 volts. So if you need 24 volts, you use voltage higher than 24 volts to charge 24. So most 12 volt panel, you see their VOC ends with 21 volts and the likes. So 21, 22 is not up to 24, but a 24 volt panel, you see the VOC more than 24, you can even have some up to 50. So this is very vital for you to know.